In this video, we'll show you how to install a quantum lock with Bluetooth low-energy connectivity. The outside lever trim has two bolts that fit into the mortise case. These bolts establish an accurate trim position, allowing the levers and bolt mechanism to operate without binding. Do not tap, bend, or otherwise force the bolts to fit into the trim during installation. If the bolts or card reader enclosure fit too tightly in the prep holes, remove the mortise and enlarge the holes to achieve a free fit. To start, remove the battery pack from the inside trim. Position the outside proximity card reader assembly on the outside of the door. Route the ribbon cable and the power cable through the door. Position the inside trim on the inside of the door. Secure the inside trim to the proximity card reader assembly with the screws provided. Align the outside lever trim to the diagonal holes on the mortise hub and secure it with the two screws. Check the alignment of the inside trim and ensure that both levers rotate without binding. Tighten the screws holding the proximity reader assembly to the door. The indicator marks on the switch cam should be at the top and bottom when the mortise deadbolt is retracted. If the deadbolt is extended, retract it. With the deadbolt retracted, insert the long end of the deadbolt spindle assembly through the PCB switch cam hole and into the mortise deadbolt hub. The retaining ring should rest on the switch cam when fully inserted. First, connect the reader ribbon cable. The ribbon cable should be connected straight and never be folded, perforated, or pinched. Next, connect the reader power cable, motor cable, and power wire to the printed circuit board. Optionally, connect the door ajar cable and the BLE cable. Place the battery pack in position above the printed circuit board. Route the battery wire through the lower left corner of the battery compartment. When you connect the battery wire to the printed circuit board, the clutch motor will reset, and the green LED light on the card reader will flash. This means the PCB has reset and the door is now locked. Install the inside escutcheon with the thumb turn pointed upward. Next, secure the inside trim cover to the inside trim using the two Torx screws. To program the lock, use the lock programmer and interrogator probe with the LPI-R device cable. Before closing the door, test the functioning of the lock with the construction key. For humid environments, apply dielectric grease inside the USB connector after programming to guard against corrosion from persistent moisture. This concludes the installation process of the quantum lock with BLE connectivity. For customer service, contact dormakaba.